with one or two accelerator programs. So we are looking forward how can we get funds from them. Gujarat ecosystem was very much easy and hassle-free for us to go in. So yeah, that was the best thing which happened for us from Gujarat ecosystem.
Please provide a quick background on your company, including when it was founded, what it does, and where is it today in terms of traction.
Okay, so this side Bharat Godam Solution. We are into agriculture warehousing solution, and we have been working from last 2.5 years on this. And we recently started the traction because we are completely engrossed in our product development from last 2 years. And we basically provide completely supply chain solution like from warehouse booking system, deposit, withdrawal, Weybridge integration, and also we have been now providing post-harvest loan facilities. So now our entire application is ready and we are going for a pilot reach, and our one machine learning based counting system is ready, which we have deployed to clients, and from that we have started generating early revenue. So yeah.
What is your vision for your startup?
So basically, generally all the logistic sectors are streamlined, like pharma bolo, chemical bolo, but agriculture and logistics sector is not streamlined. So our main aim and vision is we want to streamline and structure the agri logistics sector of India.
What are the 3 milestones of your venture that you are working to fulfill?
Right now we are working on how we can benefit the farmers, empower the farmers by providing the post-harvest loan facilities. So that is one of the things. Second is how we can minimize the waste management, like maximum जो post-harvest losses होते हैं, storage के time होते हैं 40% loss. So we are working कि कैसे we can minimize the harvest loss. So food wastage we are minimizing, we are empowering the farmers. And obviously the third milestone and important milestone is our related to our vision. We want to structure and how possibly and how quick we can structure this ecosystem. So yeah.
What are the challenges that you are facing in fulfilling this milestone?
Basically adaptability, because people are a little reluctant to adapt technology in this. And one of the thing is what we are building is really cost heavy. So, and also it depends from customer to customer. So little adaptability is a major issue, you can say, what we are facing. So yeah.
What do you perceive as the most critical help that you or your company needed? Where are you getting that from, and is there a gap still that needs to be filled?
Right now we are affiliated with one or two accelerator programs. So we are looking forward how can we get funds from them. And majorly we are right now looking what we are lacking right now as believers a mentoring, a proper good mentoring. We have one mentor, 2 mentors on board, but we need some good technical guidance more. So yeah.
How is the government or the ecosystem of Gujarat supporting your startup?
We have been received some funds from iHub Gujarat under Srijan scheme, and also I was a part of EDI. I was a EDI student, which is an institute again in Gujarat. So because of that, I was able to enter into the ecosystem. So you can say it's an entrepreneurship institute. So Gujarat ecosystem was very much easy and hassle-free for us to go in. So yeah, that was the best thing which happened for us from Gujarat ecosystem. So,
what was your inspiration to start your business?
So basically, what I'm saying कि मेरे को like firstly, I am like person who don't like to waste food or is reluctant in wasting food. And also something or somewhere coming out of the farming background, very much related to the pain and problem which farmers face. So yeah, that was the thing कि भाई कुछ करना है समाज के लिए. So that was the thing which ultimately made me reach here. And logistics is my passion, my liking. So yeah.
What's the one advice that you'd like to give anyone who is starting up their own business?
I believe कि starting itself is a courage thing. So भाई बस हिम्मत है तो सब कर सकते हैं. So that is the only thing which I believe. You just need a courage, then it's all in. Because if nothing, तो कुछ नहीं. All in. We are going all in. So you have everything is to lose, everything on stake. So आपका best दो, that's it.
In the next 5 years, what do you think? Where is this industry going to go, and how is it progressing in a good way?
I believe in apart from India, in the developed nations, we can say that this structure and streamline is lot good. Agriculture is and has been introduced with a lot of technology. Technologies has been introduced in agriculture sector basically. So obviously, I am seeing कि यार जैसे बाकी sector streamline हुए हैं, possibly the technology side of the agriculture can be improved too. at a more extent. So yeah, seeing कि जितना advanced चल रहा है कि automation in the system and in this ecosystem comes. So yeah, that is what I'm looking forward after 5 years.
Okay. Best of luck for your startup and thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.